Welcome to Gourmet Leftovers. Today we're going to be making some pierogi breakfast wraps. So a few days ago I made some homemade pierogis. You can click the card in the top corner to see that video. But I had some leftover pierogi filling that I wanted to use up. Thought about it for a little bit and then I thought, oh, why don't we fry these up for breakfast? So I formed those into some elongated shapes that'll fit in the wrap really nicely, and I fried them on high in some butter. Give them a nice crispy outside. And then we threw those in a couple of nice flour tortillas. Add in a nice fried egg on each one. Then you can put whatever kind of other toppings you want on here. I already had cheese inside of the potatoes, so I didn't bother putting more cheese in. But throw in some bell peppers. And I had some leftover salsa fresca there from another meal. You can click the card in the top corner for that one. And then just finish it off with a little bit of mayo and some lettuce. And then we're just going to wrap those up and cut them. You can get pretty creative with this and fill these wraps with anything you really like. The pierogi filling does go well with almost anything. And there you have it, pierogi breakfast wraps. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And you might want to consider checking out some of these other videos. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.